The World Health Organization this weekend criticized what it describes as a, quote, shocking imbalance in the distribution of COVID-19 vaccines between rich and poor countries. For South Africans, though, it's happened before. CBS's Debora Patta is in Johannesburg.
Once again, the unequal global distribution of vaccines has prompted South Africans to put on their sneakers and take to the streets in protest. 20 years ago, they marched to demand life-saving HIV drugs. Today, it's for equal access to COVID vaccines.
It is criminal because they're making money out of people dying. It is very criminal.
It took 6 years and over 9 million deaths worldwide before pharmaceutical companies waived patent rights so that cheaper HIV drugs could be made. The price dropped from a staggering $10,000 per person a year to just $100.
Now the World Trade Organization has been put on the spot once again. The developing world wants intellectual property rights on COVID vaccines suspended for the duration of the pandemic.
The push comes as wealthy countries snap up the lion's share of vaccines. How bad is it? 9 out of 10 people in developing nations won't be vaccinated this year. Many not until 2023.
This is a catastrophic moral failure and really an accusation against the system and those that back it.
Mustakim Dagama is leading this global crusade. He says claims by wealthy countries that patent waivers hamper science and innovation are false, and that the fast mutating virus means everyone needs access to vaccines at the same time. Gail Johnson knows the deadly cost of delays. Her HIV-positive son, Nkosi, was just 11 years old when he made a moving plea for affordable drugs at a global AIDS conference in 2000.
We are human beings. We can walk. We can talk.
He received medication not long after this. But by then, the deadly virus had already ravaged his shrunken frame.
And some days he would say to me, "Mommy, I don't want to die." He was wasting away, and that you always hope, but it was way too late.
Okay.
2 decades later, South Africa is again leading the charge, saying, don't let it be too late this time. Debora Patta, CBS News, Johannesburg.
What an important story, shining a light on a history that we should not forget.